ओम वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौकाक्षिभास्करः कुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसंग्रहम्। प्रयोग विधि प्रयोग प्राशुभाव बोधको विधि प्रयोग विधि विसा और अंगानाम क्रम बोधको विधि प्रयोग विधि. So anga of the pradhana yaga, whatever is the anga, in that what is the krama, that which indicates that is called prayoga vidhi, and it should be done avilambena. Then it is called sahakrita. Between them there is sahitya vyavahara. Sahitya means anga, pradhana and anga, they are done one after the other in the niyata krama. Drishtanta is given Agneya Havisha Abhidharana. So ghee is there, you have to pour that ghee in Agneya, etc. Then Aindra Dadi Havish Abhidharana. So Agneya Yaga Anusthana Tadanantaram Aindra Yaga Anusthana. This is the krama. Agneya Havish Abhidharana, Aindra Dadi Havish Abhidharana, Agneya Yaga Anusthana, Aindra Yaga Anusthana. If this kind of krama is not there, then question will come after Agneya Havish Abhidharana. Should we do Aindra Dadi Havish Abhidharanam, or after Aindra Dadi Havish Abhidharana, we have to do Agneya Havish Abhidharana? This is all discussed on page number 40. So there will be this Sandeha. When Sandeha is there, Sanshayatma Vinashyati, here it is given. For Aihika Sukha also, he will not get any success. What to talk of? Paralaukika Sukha. Okay. Now next is Kramaswarupam. Tata Kramo Nama Vitati Visheshaha. Paurva Parya Rupova. Krama is Vitati Visheshaha. V Upasarga Purva Tanu Vistare Dhatu. In that, Tin Pratyaya will become Vitati. V Upasarga Purva Tanu Vistare Dhatu. Tin Pratyaya Vitati. Vitati means Vistar, spread. It is Vitati Vishesha. Vishesha Vitati is called Krama. Paurva Parya Rupava, or where there is this Purva Apara. What comes first, what comes later. This is called Krama. Anyway, we know in Krama means sequence. Purva, then Apara, like that. Is there, then we know you cannot do anything simultaneously. Yugapat Anushthana will not be there. Which vidhi we are discussing now?
Prayoga vidhi.
Prayoga vidhi. Earlier, which vidhi we discussed?
Viniyoga vidhi.
Yoga vidhi.
Pramanas were there. Shat pramana. In Prayoga vidhi also 6 pramanas are there. Tatra Shat pramanani. Shruti Artha Patha Sthana Mukhya Pravrityakhyani. Repeat. Shruti
Shruti Artha Prana Samakhya.
Everybody. श्रुति अर्थ पाठ
स्थान मुख्य प्रवृत्त्यांत.
These are the Shat Pramanani. These are the 6 Pramanas. 6 Pramanas for what? Krama. In the Krama Niyam also you have to have Pramana. So the earlier Pramanas were Shruti,
लिंग वाक्य
लिंग
प्रकरण समाख्या.
प्रकरण स्थान समाख्या.
Linga Vakya Prakana Sthana Samakhya. They are also 6, starting with Shruti. Shrutyadi Shat Pramanani. Here also Shrutyadi Shat Pramanani. For this is for the Krama. So now he explains each one of them. How much is there in Purva Mimamsa that we know only when we start digging into it. There is so much. That's why they say Ananta Shastram Bahuveditavyam. Hamara to with Artha Sangra itself we think Anyosmi Kritakrityosmi. Tatra Krama Paravachanam Shrutihi. First one now. Krama Paravachanam. Krama means Krama eva paraha. Yasmin. Tat Krama para. Krama is the Tatparya there where it is called Shruti. Tacha Dvividham. Kevala Krama param tad Vishishta Padartha param cha. It is twofold of 2 types. Kevala Krama param, where there is Krama given, and another is Vishishta Padartha param. Param or para shabda when it is given means what you should understand. That is where the Tatparya is. That is the param. Like earlier he gave Krama para, then he gives Kevala Krama param. And second is Tad Vishishta Padartha. What is that? Krama Vishishta Padartha param. This Drishtanta is famous. Actually, it is probably famous because it is given in Artha Sangraha. Everybody has to study this first. So that is one everybody knows. Tatra Vedam Kratva Vedim Karoti. Iti Kevala Krama param. Vedam. Veda here is a Pusha grass. Mushtibhar means fistful of Pusha grass. This is called Veda. So they will put it. First you have to do that. Vedam Kratva, then Vedin Karoti. Vedi means in the tradition, Vedi would be below the ground, they have to dig. Not now the Vedis are, most of them are above the ground. But like you have to dig under the ground, like you have seen earlier also. Here also it is done like that, under. This is huge. Agnikunda, that's called Vedi. So Vedam Kratva Vedim Karoti. This is, so Tva Pratyaya is there. Tva Pratyaya tells you something comes first, something comes later. This is the Krama. And this is the Veda Vakya. So it is Shruti. Vedam Kratva Vedim Karoti iti Kevala Krama param. Vedi Karanat Karanadehe Vachanantara Praptatvat. Vedi Karanam is available through another Veda Vakya already. So this Vakya is not for how to do Vedi. This Vakya is to show Krama. This Vakya is to show Krama. That first this should come, then next. Because what is to be done is not important here. The sequence is important. Vedi Karanader Vachanantara Praptatva. Vashat Kartuhu Prathama Bhaksha. Iti tu Krama Vishishta Padartha param. Vashat Kartuhu Prathama Bhaksha. Bhaksha means Bhakshya. What is to be consumed. for the Vashatkar. Vashatkartuhu Pratham Bhaksha iti tu Krama Vishishta Padartha Param. There, Krama Vishesha is there. Krama Vishishta Padartha Param. This Vakya. So the first Vakya is Kevala Krama Param. Second Vakya, Drishtanta is Krama Vishishta Padartha Param. एक प्रसरता भय भंग भयेन एक प्रसरता भंग भयेन भक्षानुवादेन क्रममात्रस्य विधातुम् अशक्यत्वात्. So here Vashat Kartuhu Prathama Bhaksha, by this Vakya, if Bhaksha Vidhanam is done and then Bhakshyasya or Bhakshasya Prathamya Vidhanam, if it is done, then Eka Prasarta means Eka Vakyata, Bhanga will happen. Eka Vakyata, yes, in last session I think I explained. Eka Vakyata means it is in accordance with the earlier discussion, it has to be connected. Whatever that Pradhana and Anga is there, or with the previous Vakya, this Vakya connects. This is called Eka Vakyata. Means earlier if you are doing Pratipadanam of Upasana, and suddenly if you are doing Pratipadanam of Jnanam, this will not work. And if you are doing Jnanam Pratipadanam, then suddenly Upasana cannot come. Like this you will see in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Jnanam is being discussed, and then Atmetyavopasita, this Mahavakya comes. Atmetyavopasita. Mahavakya means it is Avantarvakya, which says you should, literally if you translate, you should do Upasana of Atma. But it is not Upasana Prakarana. So Eka Vakyata will not be there. Therefore you should understand Upasita as Atma Jnatavyaha, Prashtavyaha in this way. So if Bhaksha Vidhanam is done and then Bhaksha Prathamya Vidhanam is done, then in one Vakya there will be Eka Vakyata Bhanga. So that's what is given here. Eka Prasarata Bhanga Bhayena Bhakshanuvadena Kramamatrasya Vidhatum Ashakyatva. So there Kramamatra Vidhanam, you have to understand. Krama means Prathamya. That first what I have to do, that is what is given. Only that is the Vidhanam. That much is Vidheya. So then Eka Vakyata Bhanga will not happen. Seyam Shruti, Shru, who is missing, Shruti Ritar Pramana Pekshaya Balavati. This Shruti is more powerful than Itar Pramana. What are the Itar Pramana?
Artha Patha.
अर्थ पाठ स्थान मुख्य प्रवृत्ति.
Pravrutti. Itar Pramana Apekshaya Balavati. Teshang Vachana Kalpana Dwara Krama Pramanatvat. Tesham means in the rest of the five. There some kalpana you will have to do, then it will become pramanika. Shruti is pramanika by itself. Therefore, Shruti is balavati. Ataeva Ashvina Grahasya Pathakramat Tritiya Sthane Grahana Prasaktau Ashvino Dashamo Grihyate iti Vachanat Dashama Sthane Grahanam Ityuktam. Ashvino. O matra is missing. Ashvina. If light is there, if it is not very clear, then you make it. अतएव आश्विन ग्रहस्य पाठक्रमात्. So now there is a Ashwina Graha Pathakrama and Ashwina Graha Shruti. Pathakrama says Ashwina Graha means Soma. Soma in the Tritiya Sthanam. And Shruti is Ashwino Dashamo Grihyate. This is Shruti. So Dashama Sthanam is said by Shruti. And Pathakrama says it is in Tritiya Sthanam. So Shruti is Balavati, then Patha. Therefore, what will be the Sthanam of Ashwina?
Dashama.
Dashama Sthanam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.